betua ne de won tua na wo da so di sa part na chi say he jobodo yi e be jobodo amamoda utie e be jobodo amamoda so ade mun goddess onyame adawro menti okura ye mu kinkim na nde ya anomfo yi e na mafidie bi a mesum ye ne me mpa igbo bi a me boye e ko mia ye mfe na me se me twen me I'm waiting for their bloggers. I'm waiting for their bloggers now. Show me mama because it is quite unfortunate. Okay, when you do the background checks of these bloggers talking for them, oh, Charlie, me cry me background here, me nadamo. Now show me. You see these boys who are insulting the elders and pennyfono mudidi ahim for atemuni ade ade no. When you check their background and even where they even eat, ushe jadi bi omu nuanuane wo mu kura di kura na omu tumi nya time ebe chimpenifo edi atem social media because of politics now. I'm say we sit down, consume fake news. Now Ejuma na bani ye na nka wo bema wani akọ ho akọ in their check wo ne de onhwe 2022 when we were reading the budget. Now show me, we are talking a budget that contains workers pay. Now mama NDC for that I say 1% na din do 11 to let abolish, and I say we don't like the budget. Na Ghana ni nurse ni oyendis ni nti budget na ye tantan ofui usika shem kwase afenes kana mba ujina say abanya ntia onse we jimi nurse ni why ye adwuma we ndis ni nti omuka say no budget pass no Jimmy, they have rejected the budget, you are happy who pay shem o first quarter pay ofui shem Munsia dear, no munjai sao, boka news stations where mutiomono, they are nothing. Me sometimes when I listen to them, I sit down and many say A+1. Because these days it's not a factor to me. It's your no good when you say. God ya mekafa and hunina a daddy. But let me tell you something. When you listen to A+ on United Showbiz and you listen to Arnold Bina or Kahuna, you see the difference? I'm just asking a simple question. This is entertainment-wise, okay? Entertainment-wise. When you listen to A+ make a submission on anything, now who share the submission Arnold brings her, it tells you the difference. And some people believe say Kwame A+ you'll be because he knows how to be pompon and na Jimmy for kakrane good na face oh chairman he is nothing. That guy is the most shallowest guy who has ever had space in the media. Very shallow. Very, very, very shallow. At least Captain Jimmy, the no the mamambra kakrane sa niamano. But where he is very shallow. He talks bua. Jimmy, you are boy beast. You are sitting on a platform that has been fined. They have been given guidelines to follow. Where Jimmy no win nyansa. Now for you say BBI a math inti. Oh, senior could go wenum. Oh, senior could get big wo ho. Na mini chairman won to me ahon. Kabo en won. Sister Cynthia, come on yam miana ma on. Because come here sorry Jimmy Dodo. I'm telling you, this guy could have been one of the richest boys in Ghana right now. Baby ananado didn't say, you know, this Kwame Asari would have been one of the richest boys in Ghana now. You are still begging, doing la la sulala, gathering boys. So Uncle Ken, mommy say, we will say what you are not ashamed. Go to a penibia and chawa dear one casa won't mean dear maho. You don't feel ashamed of yourself. Now, Sebe, oh sorry, a gempa. We catch you also winning me answer and uncle for gains are growing the media. Gempa, but you don't know nothing. Bench warrant can be suspended. But what bounty no where Jimmy for the bet here the Albert post no ma gonna say oh can be papa no ma be dear banyatem cause who dear banyatem. Sometimes a lawyer to me no say okay I want you to suspend the bench warrant for this and this. Okay, if they like the application they suspend it. There is no, you don't even know this common thing. You don't even know this abeg now. Efia is free there and the ankwasea o kwa kopa asem more e de amafia no. No maka kire no odua ne tini wi a onya wi no. Because em say no say na emfa ne bio ene ne mfa. Na wonu obi akɔhye dem akodi no awi akɔgye whiskey wi wo de abetena TV so aka. Na we office nyam kupon kure be hira. Sem fun akwa. Now, the reason why I came today is for a prophecy I had said. And today I will start with my first video. And it is very simple. You're starting free, yeah? We'll be anti-AD, neighbor. Oh, yo, boy, yo.
Who said you did the thing? If your boss, tell your boss that it's not allowed. Receive a house. Receive a house. Receive a house. Oh, be with me. You can beat me. I hope somebody knows. What's your baby? I'm share page, like I told you, today is a great day and a great day is today. Yeah? I believe say video, yeah, my boy. I say we can't hear. I know, me too, I couldn't hear. I don't know what happened to the sound, but that sound didn't come. Now I'm gonna find Chemi. So I can say, a husband snatcher, your party keep disgracing you, eh? But everybody have seen this video. Now show me. You see your people. And yes, sir, Sebi. Omo ko yi flag bearer. Yes, women organizer. Keke. And na mon kwasi asem wa Kevin Taylor no ne Sami Jamfi no hihye de share boys ni bitirimunti. Go and help Sebi. One kasa ukrofo. Say who you want, Keke. Yen chusu no fa na mra no. Ukwa kokun krofo mba. All because somebody want to be a youth organizer. Hey, now imagine that. Imagine that Ghana for, and you people still put on red, no red white. Just say you just don't understand these people. Free education, they don't want it. Free healthcare, they don't fucking want it. Drone, they don't want it. You see, the drone, you can map yoto, and my God, like Ghana is a joke sometimes, yo. To be honest with you, sometimes you just see the thought process of some of the people in the country, and you be like, na nye way na wako school no, na nye way ni esi anko ni mnyansa no, na nye way, because when you look, it is bogus. Hey, news here, the difference between commentary from the Accra Sports Stadium and news. Hey, onuya ho afori na abeja omo a no ma kofa Captain Jimmy na abeji na o. Ojai, me say.